Addressing a virtual press briefing on Wednesday, World Health Organization Director General Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus warned that, as governments around the world begin easing lockdowns and restrictions, they ought to do so extremely carefully, citing that, while in Europe infection rates were gradually falling, globally it is worsening. Noting that the 136,000 cases recorded over a 24-hour span yesterday was the highest daily spike in infections since the start of the outbreak, Ghebreyesus also pointed out that the majority of cases were now being found in South Asia and the Americas. Given the WHO's, the world's foremost international health body, continued insistence that the world's tussle with the pandemic was not anywhere near its end, it does beg the question of why so many countries, having originally imposed lockdowns and restrictions to slow the spread of the virus, are now lifting the same, despite case counts continuing to rise. According to a report, the novel coronavirus has killed more than 403,000 people out of at least 7 million infected since the outbreak emerged in China last December. Tedros said that in countries where the situation was improving, the biggest threat is now complacency, adding that most people globally are still susceptible to infection. The WHO has continually stressed the importance of tracing those who may have come into sustained, close contact with an infected person. Tedros meanwhile said that the WHO had so far shipped more than 5 million items of personal protective equipment to 110 countries. NYOOOZ Desk.